How's it going, guys? Today I'll be installing this black house smoke lens headlight from Auto Sensation on this Ford Mustang. I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can check out this headlight if you're interested. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start the car, turn my wheel on that side so I could get to these 3 screws. Phillips head, there's one here, second one here, the third one all the way down here. And loosen that so I could get in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a socket wrench. I can get this bolt out. Get this bolt out too, so I could drop the bumper. So we could get to the 2 bolts that's holding the headlight in the bottom. There's one bolt here. There's a clip here. Pry out with a flathead screwdriver to get it out. Okay, so when you guys done taking out the screws and dropping down the splash shield, there's gonna be 2 bolts. Take off one here. One all the way in the back, and the one here. You can drop the bumper. Okay, so I got the 2 nuts out. Pull down the bumper. Come in the front. This is the passenger sides. There's one bolt here. Take that off. There's one bolt all the way down here. And then the headlight come off. Okay, so now I got the 3 bolts out, 2 bottom one, no top one. Forget to disconnect this from the headlight. Okay, so you disconnect it, it should come out just like that. Okay, so out with the old and in with the new. Same thing we're gonna do. I'll take it out, same way you're gonna put it back in. You're gonna screw in the bulb, the headlight, fit it in, and put in the 3 bolts. It should be good to go. Okay, so when you're done installing the headlight, you're gonna go ahead and put back the bumper together. Yeah, so with the driver's side, it's the same concept. Gotta do is turn the wheel on the opposite side, get to the 3 screws, drop it down, and that's it. Okay guys, there you have it. Headlight is in. Everything is in. Don't forget to put back the clips and the bolt. This bolt, this one here, this clip, this bolt. Okay guys, this is the final product with the lights on, turn signal light and the headlight. It's all looking good. It's upgraded. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Stay tuned for more of my videos. Peace.